virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Okay, now we will move to the chapter. Hello students, welcome to Virtual Training Center Dada. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths of standard 3rd and the topic name is subtraction without borrowing. Okay, the first part of this topic we have already done in the last lecture. Now today we will move to the second part of this one. Okay dear students, you know subtraction means we get the difference. Whenever we want to find out the difference between the amount or difference between the two numbers or the things, number of things, okay, then we go for subtraction, isn't it? And we use this minus sign for the subtraction, isn't it? Okay, then we will proceed to today's sums. One sum is there. Okay, Mohan had rupees 500. He gave rupees 300 to Ravi. What is the amount left with Mohan? Yes, first understand the sum, that here two friends are there, Mohan and Ravi. Mohan has 500 rupees with him and Ravi needs rupees 300. Okay, and here Mohan helps Ravi by giving 300 rupees. Okay, then we have to calculate how many rupees left with Mohan. Okay, we will start. This one is Mohan and he has 500 rupees. Okay, this is 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Correct? Now means 100 rupees 5 notes is nothing but 500 rupees. Now this one is Ravi. Ravi needs 300 rupees and Mohan gives Ravi 3 notes of 100. Okay, one note that is 100 rupees. This is one more that is 200 and this is 300 rupees. Correct? Now we will make a table and we will calculate how many rupees left with Mohan. This is a table and we have written the numbers here. 0 in the units place, tens place also 0, 5 in hundreds place because 500 rupees Mohan has. Correct? Now he gave 300. So we are going to minus 300 rupees from 500 rupees. Okay? We will do subtraction from the unit place. Here 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Tens place 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. In the hundreds column 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Correct? Means here 200 means 2 notes of 100 left with Mohan. How we will write? Like this. Amount left with Mohan is equal to rupees 200. Okay? Orally you do very fast, but you must know how to write this sum and how to do the subtraction. Okay? Subtract. Yes, sum is here. Okay, 995 minus 464. Okay, now we will begin subtraction. Yes, dear students, you know that we always start from unit place. Correct? In the unit place, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. And in the tens place, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. And in the hundreds place, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Correct? So the answer is 531. Now second sum, 848 minus 338. Okay, we will start subtraction from the unit place. Here it is in the unit place. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. In the hundreds place, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, so the answer is 510. Yes. Arrange vertically and subtract. Yes, dear students, you know what is the meaning of vertically? Yes, we know this one in the addition. Correct? Vertically means here in the standing position. Means we are going to write one number below the other one. Okay, we will make a table first and units, tens and hundreds. It is written. Now we will start writing from the unit place. First number we will write 673. From unit place we will start, that is 3 in the unit place, 7 in tens place and 6 in a hundreds place. Okay. Now second number 0 in units place, 6 in tens place and 2 in hundreds place. We are going to give minus sign. Okay, now we will start subtraction. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, dear students, vertically means one above the other. We have to write in this format. Second sum. Here we will write 783 up because it is a bigger number. Now we will start from 3. Okay. In the unit place we will write 3. Tens place we will write 8. Hundreds place we will write 7. Minus 471. 1 we will write in the units place. 7 we will write in tens place. 4 we will write in the hundreds place. Now we will put minus sign. Okay, we will carry out subtraction. 3 minus 1 is 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer is 312. Okay. Yes, 2 more are there. Now you know how to write. Correct, from unit place. 6, 7, 7. Then 51 is there. Only 2 digits are there. So if you start from the unit place, then the sum or the answer you will get proper one. 1 here in the unit place and in the tens place you will write 5. Not to write anything in the hundreds place. Okay, remember this because only 2 digits are there. So now if you want you can put there 0 in the hundreds place. Minus sign we will put. Now we will carry out the sum. 6 minus 1 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 7 remains as it is. Okay, like this. Second one. Again 896 we will write 6, 9, 8. Okay. Minus 105. 5, here 0, 1. Okay. Now minus sign. 6 minus 5 is 1. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay, dear students, you know this. Subtraction in horizontal arrangement. Horizontal arrangement means in sleeping mode. One beside another. We have to write the number one beside another. Okay, see here 539 minus 113. Now we have to carry out the subtraction in the same position. Okay, equal to we will put here. Now dear students, here also there are places. Unit place, tens place and hundreds place. Now we will start first from the unit place. See here, unit place as 9 minus 3. That is 9 minus 3 is 6. We will write in the unit place. Okay. Now second we will move to tens place. See here, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. We have to write that one to the left of the earlier number. Then the third one, that is hundreds place, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Got this? The answer is 426. Okay. One more sum. Here in the unit place, 7 minus 7, that is equal to 0. Tens place, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. In the hundreds place, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. For this, students, the answer is 440. Yes, dear students, here arrange horizontally and subtract. Here we are not going to use arrow marks. Directly we will do. See this one, 657 minus 70. You know how to do. Okay, 1 minute I am going to give you. Calculate the answer. Then I will write answer here. 657 minus 70. Always subtract the unit place number from the unit place. And the digit in the tens place, to tens place. The answer is 640. Okay. The second one is 225 minus 114. Here also 5 minus 4, 2 minus 1 and 2 minus 1. Isn't it? So, got the answer? Yes, right. The answer is 111. Here, subtract smaller number from larger number. Means, dear students, here two numbers are given, 245 and 104. First, you have to decide which is the larger number and which is the smaller number. Yes, you are right. 245 is the larger number. And 104 is smaller. So we will write like this. 245 minus 104. What is the answer? 141. Correct? You know how to do now. Isn't it? We'll move for second one. 198 and 790. Yes, first decide which is the larger number. You are right. 799 is the larger number and 198 is the smaller number. Correct? So we will write 799 minus 198. What is the answer? 601. Correct? 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 7 minus 1 is 6. Third one, two numbers, 160 and 697. Okay, here the larger number is second one, isn't it? 697. And the smaller one is 160. Now minus this. 7 minus 0, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. 6 minus 1, 5. 537. Okay. Please practice sums like this. You only put the numbers and you only carry out the subtraction. Yes, thank you students for being with me. Students, please practice the sums which are on page number 23 of your maths textbook. Okay.
Thank you very much students for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new updated videos.